inang linggo lang na parang nagkaroon ng issue doon sa nagdadati.
Oo nga eh, which is so heartbreaking talaga. I think,
Hindi ka ba natakot no na baka hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung career?
actually natakot talaga ako kasi kakapanalo ko lang tapos parang it started all going downhill so I was very stressed. Tapos kami ni Mommy, we had like a discussion kung anong gagawin. So, we chose to stay with TVJ kasi alam ko na I'm happy with them and I know they will treat me right and help me grow to become a better artist.
But the tape have offer for you.
Actually, kasi yung tape po, they contact my management so I don't know anything on that. Opo.
Kumusta kayo ni Atasha?
Si Ata, ang sweet po talaga ni Ate Atasha nung unang pasok niya. Kasi kami lahat ng Dabbercats, di namin alam na may bagong Dabbercats pala na papasukin. So nung pinasok siya sa Gimme 5, grabe, I was so shocked kasi I see her all the time. Kasi anak po siya ni Aga Mulak. So, you know, parang na-starstruck ako. And she's very kind, she's very sweet and everything. So nakakaban kami. Parang ano ko siya, food buddy. Kasi through commercials kumakain kami palagi.
Ano yung paborito niyong kinakain? Tubot.
Atasha's favorite food is pancit. But sa akin kahit pancit, hindi ko alam. Pero kahit ano lang kinakain ko basta anong nandun. Gutom ako palagi.
Kinakabahan ka pa ba pagka sasala ka, magsa-segment?
When hosting, kapag ano lang opening hosting, like hindi naman, parang normal na lang sa akin. Pero kapag sa babala, kinakabahan pa rin ako dun sa interviews. But, and also when it's my turn to perform kapag mga project ko, normal naman po kabahan din. So, yes.
Paano kayo mag-usap ni Atasha? Taglish, English, Tagalog?
Taglish po. Nakakaintindi naman po siya ng Tagalog eh. So, parang ano lang.
Ikaw?
Sa ako, speak to her in Taglish.
About Riza, kamusta naman yung banding niyo together?
Lalo na si Riza. Kanina on our live, we were so happy with like Sugod Bahay. Kasi puro kulitan na talaga kami. Kasi yung mga ibang host, they're also serious hosting. Tapos kami nagsasayawan. So yes, Riza is very kind too.
Acting, do you have plans?
Soon, but right now I'm focusing with singing and hosting right now.
How about sa study mo? Nag-homeschool ka ba? Or
Actually, ang daming, I watched the live of EAT right after. Tapos parang nakikita yung mga comments, hindi na ba nag-aaral si Karen? Paano na to? And then, but actually, I'm still in school. I study in Starland International School. And then, pero hindi ko po kasi kaya na pang morning yung class ko. So, my class is right after live, kasi 2:30 matatapos. So, my class is 3 p.m. to 10 p.m.